Last week, we pulled the engine out of my Nova right here. In an earlier episode, we got the motor out of a green Suburban to put into this thing. We just gotta tear that down and get that ready to send to the machine shop. Super stoked about what we can do to this Nova. This week, we gotta take apart the motor to put back in it so we can start getting that ready to send to the machine shop. We've already pulled the heads. We're just gonna take off the rockers and go from there at this point. It's a 360 cam that you can strap to your wrist.
That's fire. 360?
Yeah.
So I could see like...
Yeah, all around us right now. Look,
Fire.
it has two lenses.
Hi guys. You get to see every inch of that ugly mug right there.
Alright, you guys are gonna sit right here while we crack jokes?
What are you doing? I give you the power of machinery, and you use rock.
We'll move on. Logan's toolbox, low-key, coming in clutch. You guys stole my ratchet.
I can't believe you guys. What the hell's wrong with you? Didn't your dad teach you what to do?
For real. Hey, Dad, you're on camera. Say what's up. Am I going the right way? No, I'm going the wrong way. Yeah, thanks for leaving me with no GoPros, by the way. I had to improvise. I only found the 360 cam.
Oh, well, the 360 cam is also what you can use.
Well, good, because that's what we're using.
Okay, you just gotta watch out on the lenses because they're super sensitive. Always put the covers back on if you're not using it.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Love you.
You're out of time.
All right, sounds good.
Bye-bye.
All right, love you. Bye. My dad,
The star
Scott.
of the hour.
Huh?
The star of the hour shows up on TV.
My dad, Scott, and Grandpa all went hunting this week, and they left me and Mundo to our own devices. Very smart idea.
So we have to take the...
No.
Okay.
Leave those in there.
Yeah, I was gonna say, like, so that's a half one, bro. We only have the right tool.
But this motor does have like 350k miles on it, because small blocks.
Oh, there it is. Sorry, guys. I know you smell it too.
We have the smell vision on this camera.
Quit cussing!
Sorry, Dad.
Kiss your mother with that mouth?
I don't
Do not kiss my mother at all.
Alright, easy part done.
Gotta stay organized, people. But it's not bad for 300K.
No. I'll probably just reuse them or put rollers on there.
Yeah, that's it.
Since it's gonna go on my Nova, bro,
That's it.
just beast this motor the hell out.
Put roller.
Roller rockers, a roller cam, 4-barrel carb.
No, don't use no carb. Use one of those.
Yeah, but then I have to do all the wiring for that.
But it's like so much better response and gas mileage. And
Yeah, but I'm looking for horsepower, not gas mileage.
Alright.
Back.
It bit me.
The motor bit Mundo before I could turn the camera on. This guy, okay, I'm like, oh, we have to go get the harmonic balancing pulley from Scott's. This guy's like, nah, watch this.
Leverage.
Pull the lever, crunk.
Wrong lever. Crunk.
Wrong lever. We also may have found an engine stand.
The
I'll
fact
hit
that
it from the bottom.
that's actually coming.
Don't do this at home.
He's about to break the engine.
Oh, bro, I'm mounted on this.
That's what she said.
Not to you.
Look, it's coming.
Holy No way, this is legitimately working.
Nigga, it's coming.
Go to the other side. So the camera
sorry.
can see.
Excuse my language. Why is this working?
I don't know.
Don't worry. I don't think it's coming.
I think it stopped. Yep, that works.
Oh, that was coming.
It came a long ways. Go to this side. Look, it's tilted like this, so maybe if you hit it from this side. Sorry, timing cover. I got a new one anyway. Alright, we'll be right back. We gotta go get an engine stand and a puller. We had to get our cherry picker out. We stole Mark's engine stand. And we're better than ever.
He's not getting that back.
Never. We're taking this son of a bee right here, flopping it onto there, taking these pistons out, and taking it to a machine shop.
You guys get all that?
Hopefully. I ain't repeating myself. No, I'm kidding. Also, last time me and him used a cherry picker together, we ended up taking a motor out on Christmas Day. My dad was not too happy about us not being there on Christmas.
What? Oh.
When we took your motor out of your Ranger, and then use that bolt. Try these two. I don't think this is gonna work.
Boom right there and then wrap it around the knee. Hold it around.
Can you pass that back to me? This is not the proper way to do this. Shh.
Gaming, alright, keep right there.
Huh?
Keep right there.
Like played off.
Scott's gonna bust my balls, guys. But it's alright, because I bust back. How does that do? I think just keep blowing it up.
Yeah.
It's about to fall over. Ah! Mayday! Mayday! Abandoned ship.
And that's how can we do away.
Abandoned ship. Shit, put it back down. Oh no! Oh no! Logan! Logan!
This is totally how you're supposed to do this.
It didn't go as planned. I got down for potatoes in my ass. I already went. No, let's do this properly. And wrap it around.
Or you just put a bolt there and a bolt there and put that's the proper way to do it. Let's just combine these two. Oh.
Drops it down.
Drops it down an engine.
Where's the drain fan? We need it. Just dump it in the dirt over there.
Shh. Not good for the environment. That's what we do every time though. Shh. Don't tell anybody.
It's all they call.
Alright, going up.
Okay, now if we do this properly. Wait.
Ready?
Yeah, now go.
It didn't fall this time. Hey, that's my jack handle.
Hammer. Multi-tool.
God bless America. Yeah, I can't with these oily ass hands. We'll be right back. Did it loosen?
Mm-hmm. Thank God.
This is what we do for fun. God.
I can sit on Gogo's race car.
Point it at us. Do not drop that camera.
Featuring Nicki and JT.
Featuring Nicki and JT. Okay.
Nicki
ready?
Minaj and JT the rapper.
Yeah, totally.
Chance the rapper. You see this here ratchet? You see how short it is in length?
Yeah.
You know what leverage is?
Yeah.
Boom.
My dad took all the impacts.
Leverage.
Who needs a nugget dugga?
That one's really stripped. It's really stripped, buddy. I put 15 on it.
We're not even in Atlanta.
Yeah, that is. Nicki Minaj.
Why does everybody keep on calling you that?
Because your name's Nicki. Nicki.
I've acquired a hammer.
Yeah,
Nicki
but
Minaj.
it's spelled differently.
Nicki.
N-I-C-K-I. Don't break his ratchet. Oh, you said bad word too. Bad word. Yeah. You're gonna have to bleep all those.
So what size do you have on that ratchet right now?
15 on track.
Okay, so let's try 5/8. Why do you keep spinning? You spin me right around, baby, right around.
Don't break his ratchet.
Let me see if I can prove it.
They forgot that part. You're so smart. They probably forgot where it was. Yeah.
Damn. Next time, don't just yank it.
Yeah, don't yank it. He's gonna yank it again. And your daddy.
Loose.
He has a button.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Yeah, we did it. All right, now time for the fun part. Loosen those bolts up a little bit
Do you have a
while I
button?
find hardware.
I'm gonna yank you, brother.
I'm not yanking nothing. You got your trophy right
I'm
now.
gonna yank you, brother.
I'm gonna yank you little Yankee.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna yank.
Okay,
you.
we're on YouTube. Stop, both of you.
He started this.
I didn't.
No, you did.
Everything over here is just now covered in oil. I don't know where I'm gonna get the bolts to hold this thing in. Oh my god, what the fuck?
You said that, F-word.
Stop saying bad
Stop.
words. We're on YouTube.
Yeah, we're on YouTube.
Hang on, let's move this engine stand forward to where we don't have to look in a bath of oil. Alright, move. This is sketchy. Alright.
Coming.
Y'all are good now. That one works. Wait. Yeah. Got a hot tool on that thing. Now that was a mission. Not as big of a mission as this is about to be right here on Project Sullivan. I don't know what you mean by rookies, bro. We were just trying to do shit without the proper equipment and tools, and that happened.
We can use these.
Alright, ready for the fun part? Oh,
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Nice, another oil spill. Woohoo!
ugh, I can't lift this motor! Well, there's no more oil in it.
You spin right round, baby, right round like a wrecking ball. Well, at least it's something sort of oil.
It is out of oil now. Solve that issue.
Featuring Nicki Minaj and JT, the rapper.
I am not Nicki Minaj.
You wish.
I don't want to be her.
Don't worry, you got this. You'll be a model. Yeah, because don't we have to take the timing cover off before? Is that
Yeah.
okay?
No.
But we should just be able to hammer that off.
Bear with us now, okay? It's coming. Oh.
Here. Pry it on that. Wait a minute. Take off the noses.
What size do you think those are?
Try 15.
Okay. Yep.
There we go. That works. Oh, it's an oil.
What is it?
It's an oil filter reroute
What you need that for?
to fit headers. Keep that. That's actually pretty good. That's pretty cool.
Put that on that one.
By the way, guys, Mundo has never taken off an oil pan or pistons or anything of the sort. Let it soak for a while. Let's take off this oil pan. You said, "Aight, buddy." Yeah, we know. We're the mechanics in the LS. Yep, don't worry about our questionable ways. We'll still get it done. I might reuse the same crankshaft unless I get I might get a stroker crank. Stroke it out.
I'll stroke your engine out any day.
The PB blast helped. Buddy, you ready to see your first crankshaft and pistons?
Yeah.
Alright, you ready for the easy part? Kick the f out of it after you get this bolt out. Use your sparking tape, bro. I know you've been waiting all day. Oh, there's still one bolt here.
No, we'll go in this.
Damien's here! Because we're about to get real sketchy out here. I don't want you guys to get hurt. Alright, sparring kick it.
It's about to get wicked.
Don't look at it. We've been struggling.
It's about to get wicked. Why is there oil everywhere? Hey, we don't talk about it.
We don't talk about it. Oh, besides the two giant oil spills, it's been going pretty good.
Yeah, I know. It's like
I was gonna say, why is it two and not just one? Why'd you move from
Yeah,
one
whoa.
spot? Like,
we don't have to talk. First, we lifted it first with that. Okay. To fall over.
Mayday!
Mayday! Abandon ship. We
Okay, no, we dropped the motor.
Oh no! Oh no! Logan! Logan! It like flopped over. That's how that happened. We had to put it back on that and then flip it back. It put the chain right, and then we put it on here and right over there, and he just make it turn it upside down.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
Alright, you're gonna sparring kick it or am I gonna hit it?
Oh! Come here, Chevy. Yeah. Yeah.
Let's let's get back to work. So the entire reason we were tearing this one apart, you know where it's going.
Yeah, it's going.
Yes, but my grandma said she'll pay for the machine shop
Oh, that's
for Christmas. Yeah, they're torqued to Narnia. It'll just make it easier to take the pistons out. Come hold this bag open.
Oh. Don't forget my job.
Done forgot my job. That's actually pretty good. Look at that.
Oh.
That's pretty good.
This one not so much.
My nail don't catch on it. It ain't bad. This guy's never been this far into a motor, by the way. Be right back. We'll figure it out.
Oh hell.
Oh hell, that didn't sound good. I'm glad we didn't get any oil underneath our race car.
That's the important part.
Yeah, not the sidewalk that we work on.
Yeah, or just like the workplace in general.
Alright, now time for the big tell on how bad this motor was.
Let's see. Get it to it.
Make sure you keep these bearings with the piston that they go to.
Oh, okay. Yeah, good luck.
Okay, well, why are you taking that one out? Bruh, straight fire.
Straight
fire.
Oh yeah! You could tell where it was burning. They were getting no oil down there.
We need to number this.
3.
Coming. Keep her coming. Keep her going. Keep her
Do not do what we do at home.
Hey, yeah.
Hey, came with it.
Hello.
Yeah.
No, it didn't. Look at that scoring, bro.
This motor was not going to run for another 10
Run
miles.
your fingernail across that. Run your fingernail across that.
It catches a lot.
That was not started.
They're gone, dude.
That was not. Ew, there's. Oh,
Ah!
oh, fuck.
They were gonzo. You can see where that one wore through there. That protective coating right there.
Keep her coming.
Later.
Uh-huh.
Alright, yeah.
Less pistons mean more space.
Bitch.
Bro, my dad's gonna come back and be pissed.
Yeah.
Look at the concrete.
Yeah, he's gonna be mad. Just let it seep. It's alright.
Just take a little dirt to it. It'll be alright.
Fine.
Oily shaft.
Oily.
That one has no protective coating on it. My pants are already
Dude,
flat.
that cam is nice. That cam is nice.
Oh. That was
Holy.
That might have been a close one.
Bolts for this one.
Wow.
Show that one to the camera.
I don't know if y'all could see this, but that ain't for me. That's completely
Well, that tells us which ones are getting lubrication. If you've been watching this long, you might as well subscribe.
And remember, don't wait for opportunity, create it.
creative.